In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Zoom appearance. To get started, open the Zoom app on your device and wait for the main screen to load completely. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your personal settings. Once you're on the home screen, look to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. This is where Zoom keeps account-related options, preferences, and customization settings. After you click your profile icon, a menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings. This will open the main settings window, where you can adjust different parts of how Zoom looks and behaves. If you're new to Zoom, this is an important area to become familiar with because many useful options are stored here. Inside the settings window, click on General. The General section usually contains broader app preferences that affect your overall Zoom experience, including interface-related options. Once you're in General, look for the Appearance section. In the Appearance area, you will be able to change how Zoom looks on your screen. Depending on your version of Zoom and the device you're using, you may see options such as Light Mode, Dark Mode, or System Default. Light Mode gives the app a brighter, cleaner look, while Dark Mode can feel easier on the eyes, especially in low light environments. If you choose System Default, Zoom will usually match the appearance settings already applied on your computer. Take a moment to select the appearance option that works best for you. In most cases, the change applies right away, so you can instantly preview the new look without needing to restart the app. That makes it easy to compare styles and decide which one feels more comfortable for daily use. If you use Zoom often for meetings, classes, or work, adjusting the appearance can make the app feel more personalized and easier to navigate. For example, some users prefer dark mode to reduce eye strain during long sessions, while others like light mode because it can